Hey guys, it's Rhonda and it's Sunday morning, so we are making pancakes, and today I'm making them from scratch, which I've never done before, so we're going to give it a shot. In this bowl I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour, then it calls for 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt. Our house is kind of a zoo this morning. It's beautiful outside. It's supposed to be in the high 60s, so everybody's itching to go outside. Might do some yard work. We're going to add 1 egg. One cup of milk, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, which I'll just put a couple drops in. Use the reach. Just going to mix it up, and I'll be back. Okay, getting ready to put the pancakes on the griddle. A little bit of cooking spray. Like I said, this is the first time I've made them from scratch. Actually, my husband's usually the one that makes pancakes. I'm trying to do more recipes from scratch so I don't have to rely on things like Bisquick or boxed pancakes. And it's actually more fun. I'm really enjoying this. Later today I'm going to make some cream of celery soup using Bear Prepper's recipe for the cream of whatever soup mix. This recipe says it should make 10 4-inch pancakes, but I have a feeling it's only going to make about 6 to 8, so I may have to make another batch. And I have my griddle set to 350. Let these cook, and I'll be back when it's time to flip. Okay, trying to give them a flip. I don't know if you can't really see how golden it is, but I decided to make another batch. This only made 2, 4, 6, 7, and I'm feeding 5, so I'll make another batch and I'll be back when I plate it. Okay, here they are, all finished. This is my son's plate. He doesn't like eggs for some reason all of a sudden. I'm going to take a little bite. Oh my goodness, very good. Hope you try it, hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye.